Well, I think we've come to the end of our recordings. I certainly found it very interesting and helpful, and I enjoyed it. Tina, what did you learn? What was useful for
I
you?
think it was very interesting, all the points that you made, and I feel that some of these things are important to teach us earlier on in our education so we can get in the habit of thinking about our positioning, the ergonomics, so that later on in practice it could be more easier to adapt since we've been practicing it for longer.
So George, I really want to thank you for coming out and giving us these pointers, because some of these things, like honestly, particularly the business about widening your hips, like it never occurred to me that someone was going to say it's a good thing to have your legs spread wider. So that was a really interesting comment for me. So thanks for doing this. And do you have any comments or thoughts about anybody who's watched this, who wants to explore it further, any ways that they can get more information?
Well, I would certainly say that most facilities will have a department that looks into injury prevention and essentially ergonomic layout of the different operating rooms or the different workstations. And so reaching out to those departments is important. And if they find that there's nothing available in terms of that avenue, they can always look for local businesses that offer those kinds of services as well. But certainly something that's a good investment to make.
Great. Okay. Well, thank you both.
Thank
and
you.
thank all of you for watching, and hope you found this useful.